orderly development of peri-urban areas utilizing town planning schemes. Creative redevelopment of cities. For creative brownfield redevelopment of existing cities with a transformative impact, our government will formulate a framework for enabling policies, market-based mechanisms and regulation.
সরকার একটি নীতি গ্রহণ করবে।
Transit-oriented development plans for 14 large cities
14টি বড়
30 lakh will be
শহরের জন্য
along with an implementation
যাদের পপুলেশন জনসংখ্যা 30 লক্ষ বেশি তাদের জন্য প্রকল্প নেওয়া হবে। পিএম আবাস যোজনাতে শহরের
and middle class families will be addressed with an investment of 10 lakh crore rupees
তৈরি করা হবে এবং এর জন্য
this will include
10 লক্ষ কোটি টাকা বরাদ্দ করা হয়েছে
2.2 lakh crore rupees in the next 5 years. A provision of interest subsidy to facilitate loans at affordable rates is also
সুদের উপর ভর্তুকি দেওয়া হবে।
Enabling policies and regulations for efficient and transparent rental housing markets with enhanced availability will also be put in place.
বাড়ি ভাড়া পাওয়া যায় তার জন্য চেষ্টা করা হবে।
In partnership with state governments and multilateral development banks,
রাজ্যগুলির সঙ্গে সহযোগিতায়
sewage treatments and solid waste management projects and services for
জলের যোগান পানীয় জল
through bankable projects. These projects will also envisage use of treated water for irrigation and filling up of tanks in nearby areas.
ব্যবস্থা
street markets
উন্নতি করব।
Building on the success of PM Swanidhi scheme in transforming the lives of street vendors, our government envisions a scheme to support each year over the next 5 years the development of 100 weekly hearts or street food hubs in select cities.
100টা
stamp duty
স্টেট ফুড হাব কিছু কিছু শহরে তৈরি করা হবে।
High stamp duty to moderate the rates for all and also consider further lowering duties for properties purchased by women. This reform will be made an essential component of urban development schemes.
বিশেষ করে মহিলারা যখন
energy security, energy transition.
সম্পত্তি
কিনবেন। In the interim budget, I had announced our strategy to sustain high and more resource efficient economic growth along with the energy security in terms of availability, accessibility and affordability. We will bring out a policy document on appropriate energy transition pathways that balances the imperatives of employment, growth and environmental sustainability.
দক্ষভাবে ব্যবহৃত হয়
PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana.
PM Surya
in the interim budget.
Muft Bijli Yojana.
In line with the announcement in the interim budget, PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana has been launched to install rooftop solar plants to enable
এই প্রকল্পে বাড়ির মাথায়
to enable 1 crore households
solar energy
obtain free electricity up to 300 units every month. The scheme has generated
এবং এতে প্রত্যেক মাসে 300 ইউনিট করে সোলার এনার্জি সৌরশক্তি তৈরি হতে পারে
and we will further encourage it. Pumped storage policy. A policy for promoting pumped storage projects will be brought out for electricity storage and facilitating smooth integration of the growing share of renewable energy with its variable and intermittent nature in the overall energy mix.